I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over creating a new subscriber list. Having different lists is important if you have different senders and different companies that you're sending from, as your name, website and business address need to be at the bottom of every single email. If you're sending from different senders and different businesses, it's important that you have a different list. So to create a new list, we're going to come to lists and then create new, and then we're going to name our list. And don't worry, subscribers won't see this name, this is just for your records. So I'm going to call this new training list, and then I'm just going to copy that for the display name and the description. You should have a detailed description, because if subscribers want to update their preferences, then they'll see the description if they're trying to opt out or update their subscription preferences. It's a good idea to have a good reason to remind them why they opted in and why they're on the list. Next is opt-in, and you can select from double or single opt-in. It's strongly advised to use double opt-in because it helps you build a stronger list with proper subscribers. If you're using single opt-in, lists are a lot lower quality generally. Double opt-in is definitely the preferred way to go. If you do want single opt-in, you need to get in contact with support to justify why you need single opt-in, as single opt-in often damages reputation of servers and causes emails to go to spam. So unless you have a good reason for using single opt-in, you won't be able to use it. But double opt-in is much better anyway. Next is opt-out. You can choose from double opt-in or double opt-out. Double opt-out means they have to click a link to confirm they want to opt out, just like they would have to opt in on a double opt-in. And single opt-out is just a simple single opt-out. I would recommend a single opt-out, because some people who try to opt out and then have to click a link to confirm may think that you're spamming them if they don't follow through and click that link. So I would recommend double opt-in and single opt-out. And here you can put your tags, so any tags that you put here will be automatically applied to any subscriber that subscribes to this list. And tags are useful for segmenting, for sending emails to certain subscribers which have done certain actions or subscribed to certain lists, so you can keep track of people. So once you've done all this, click next. Next we're going to select the list custom fields. Of course you must have an email field, and you can select whether you want first name field, a last name field, and any other fields that you feel like you might need on your opt-in form. You can add text fields, drop down fields, multi-select fields and much more. So I'm going to select create email field and create first name field. When you've selected and added all the fields that you need, click Save Changes. Then you're going to be asked to edit some of the default emails. So the first one is the subscribe confirm email. So this is the first email that's going to be sent out when someone tries to subscribe into your list while double opt-in is on. So subscribers are going to need to click this link here to be confirmed subscribed into your list. You can edit anything you like on this email except this link here and the subscribe URL here. You can remove the list name if you want, as subscribers don't need to see the list name. You can change the company name to your name if you wish, and then you can add or edit anything in the body and the title. Once you're happy with the subscribe confirm emails, click Save and Next. And then you're going to see the page for pending subscribe. So this is the page that people are going to be redirected to by default once they subscribe into your list, once they've first subscribed but are not confirmed. Most of the time you will set a different pending subscribe page in the site builder, but this is the default one that comes up. So once you've edited the pending subscribe page to how you like it, click Save and Next. And then you're going to do the same for the unsubscribe confirm email. Then you're going to do the same for the unsubscribe confirm email. Change the subject to how you like it, change the body, and make sure not to change this link or this link here. And when you're done, click Save and Next. And next is the welcome email. So the welcome email is going to be sent out once someone subscribes to your list, if you select it to. You don't have to send out the welcome email. You can send out an email immediately on an email sequence instead if you want to disable the welcome email. If you want to use the welcome email, edit the subject and the body how you like, and then click Save and Next. Once you've done all that, your new list is set up and ready to go. If you need to add, edit or update anything for your list, come over to here and click Update. And you can change all the settings, the name, display name, description and your tags. You can also change all the advanced settings, and this is where you would turn your welcome email on and off. And the sub not found redirect is where people will be redirected if they've not subscribed to your list before, and then the sub exists redirect is where people will get redirected if they're already on your list. So in the notifications tab, you can choose to receive notifications when someone subscribes or unsubscribes. Then in subscriber actions, you can choose to have a subscriber unsubscribed or subscribed to another list when they subscribe or unsubscribe from this list. And you can change the company details for this list as well. By default, it will pull the information from the account info that you entered when you first set up Mailing Boss. So in this video we went up how to set up a new subscriber list.